Good morning. We are able to finally get out. Yesterday I didn't film anything purely because there was nothing really to film. It was all majority of just sitting around the cabin sharpening some knives. But today looks like a good day to go out.
I guess so. That's a private. That's gonna break the ice.
All right. You take diode.
Whoa. Big one too, yeah. Big one, huh? That's a pretty good sized cod.
Nice. Oh, nice fish.
Cool. There he is. He's not that big.
Nice one.
Oh yeah. Pitcher?
Hell yes.
Take the rod for it.
Thank you. No monster. it wasn't the best day that we've ever had on the water, but we got out on the water, and we're gonna take it in small victories.
Yeah.
got it fairly straight, then I beat on it.
Yeah.
And then we turned around and used the blade, we pushed even more, and then we turned around and pulled, and we ended up getting, it's not perfect, man. But we got it.
As long as it works,
Yeah.
that's all that matters. Right on.
Large. Yeah.
Gray or green?
Green, please.
Alright, come on in. That's a 2XL. Oh, the last green one.
Ooh.
Big job as far as I'm concerned.
And he's a certified welder.
Oh, nice. Perfect. Perfect.
He ain't much for stick. He can do it, I
Cool. Well, all right. We'll see you
guess.
in the
Alright,
morning.
guys.
Steve.
Have a good evening.
Say good morning, guys. We are just got done filling up the boat. We are heading to the boat launch. Looking to be another great day.
Have it come down.
People and yo. Oh, stop it. Try something.
Yeah.
Charge bar for
We're in for a week of hot weather. They did say it. There's a chance to get in the low 80s.
all right.
I read that.
Real fishy. That looks like a tuner. Reel up, reel up. I know, first fish in a while. Gotta remember. dead weight. Hand me that back. Hold on a second. Hold on 1 second here. Look at the guy with the chum bag. Real. Release, Randy.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah, no, everybody's hung up on the chum bag. God, what the is going on?
I thought I had one, but I think it's somebody else in front of me.
I ain't getting that. What? Sandwich. Say 5. You okay?
Yep.
Come on, guys. I got faith in you.
Right next to He said
My fault.
Blow my nose.
Yeah, you never want to buy poles or here this time of year. You're gonna pay full price.
Alright, Cap, we got you. Looks good, Cap.
Good landing.
Yeah.
We got you.
Place better than the last one. Kind of like it.
Damn, you gotta go! Stop! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Maybe that one is first rodeo.
Yeah, see, you think you're just all that, and then you have one of those ones where, hey, we can fit my belt cut you up when it's low tide.
That one broke something. He always bent it. He's heating up those arms again. That was
We can
Well, we got 9 out of 10 fish today, so not too bad. Better than yesterday for sure, so that's cool. They are making me work for it. Only put it in the 4th hole. Oh well, we got a new jack, so that's cool. So this right here is Harley. Haley's bug. Oh, you want me to throw that? Oh. Cat got busted off again.
Damn them. It's because they step on it.
flap of it, cut a hole, and then just wrap.
Inside, find a corner where I can hide. Silent footsteps crowding me, sudden darkness, but I can see. No sugar tonight in my coffee, no sugar tonight in my tea, no sugar to stand beside me, no sugar to run with me. Coffee, no sugar tonight in my tea, no sugar to stand beside me, no sugar to run with me. Dun da 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 dun da down, dun da 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 dun down, dun da 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 dun da down, dun da da da. Says yes, and I believe him when we talk about the things I say. She hasn't got the faith or the guts to leave him when they're standing in each other's way. You're tripping back now to places you've been to. You wonder what you're gonna find. You know you've been wrong, but it won't be long before.
Well, now that we got all the fish filleted, Dad's washing the boat as he always does. We got a vacuum.
Nature taking over. She's getting us all. She's getting us all. Jock was in the when I came back last time. It's looking like I lost a friend. No use calling cause the sky is falling and I'm getting pretty near the end. A smoke-filled room in a corner basement. The situation must be right. A bag of goodies and a bottle of wine. We're gonna get it on right tonight. Cause it's the new Mother Nature taking over. It's the new splendid lady.
Well, we're down here in Homer Harbor. There's the harbor. We're here to pick up a friend of ours at the Homer Airport that's flying in from Washington. But his plane got delayed a little bit. So we're just gonna walk around here, down around the spit a little bit and just see what there is. It's kind of windy down here, but not too bad. Well, I guess I could talk about today. A little bit mixed, nothing big for sure. Everything was pretty small. Got a few fish that were decent, but nothing big. Overall, it was a day. We had probably a good 80-100 pound fish hooked up for sure. At least maybe not that big, but at least 50-60 pounds. Randomly the fish swimming away, and it went and it caught another line, then caught the chum bag I think around there, and then it slacked off and I believe it broke. You know, stuff happens. Cough it up. There's been worse days, I guess.
should come in and here, and then let the wind blow them up against the dock right there.
Yeah.
Let the wind do the work. Came around, now the wind's pushing right over, right against the dock. You gotta let the wind do the work for you, not work against you.
So in case anybody's wondering what the Land's End is considered, just down the road, you see it kind of wraps around. You can follow the buildings, and then there's the Land's End Hotel. That right there is the Land's End. That's the furthest, pretty much the furthest south that you can drive in Alaska. And Anchor Point is actually America's most westerly point that's accessible by driving, which is pretty cool. And we launch right off of it. See Douglas, Augustine, and then Eliana and Redoubt are behind there, but Redoubt was the volcano, I believe, erupted 2000 something. I don't know exactly what year it was. It was 2006. So this right here is the circle hook that kind of identifies Homer of being Homer right here on the spit. And if you come down here, you're more than likely gonna have a picture with this, and it's pretty cool. It was made by Bayweld Boats, which is actually right here in Homer. When it comes to halibut fishing, Homer is the capital of the world, if I'm correct, besides Dutch Harbor, which is where the world's largest halibut was caught. But if you're going halibut fishing, you're more than likely going to be up here in Homer. Well, just to kind of show you guys about Land's End here, because I know it's kind of a pretty popular thing. We are right here, number 12, and you can see there's two, but Land's End, I mean technically Land's End would be right around there, but that's kind of like the ferry dock. But Land's End is right there. That's as far as you can go. And then when you saw like the King Derby and stuff where we went out last Friday, there's the boat ramp. You come down here, go out that way, and then head out, and then you come around, and then we head all the way out that way. But this time we ended up heading up that way. But then you can see I'll kind of go slowly, so if anybody wants to read this, they can. And then the Salty Dog Saloon is so famous because of how long it stood and how tough it is, as this is saying. I'll try to get my shadow out here.
Thank you.